Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a FiveView application for LB phone into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. The script will cost you around 18.50 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. And also, you can get the free version of this application from here. After downloading it, we need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder, so I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. Make sure you already have installed the LB phone script into your FiveM server. The video of the installation process will be in the description below, you can check it out from there. Now copy the name of the script, open your server.cfg. Now we need to ensure our application. Just like this, so that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and I have the LB phone over here with me, as you can see. Now let's open the phone, and over here you can see this is the application which we just installed into our FiveM server. Now let's open this application. Now first we need to register our account. So over here we need to type the username, and here we need to type the password. After that, if you want to add your Discord ID, you can just add it over here. So I'll be leaving it for now. After that, click on this check mark, then click on register. So our application is working now over here. From here, you can see the real life locations of any place. So let's suppose we need to have a look of this area. For that, we just need to click over here. And you will get a 360-degree view over here. Just like this, you can move forward and see the area, just as I am doing over here. And there are many more locations which you can look at through this application. From these options, you can change the look of the map. As you can see, now let's click on this option, and here we get some more options for this application. You can see all the options and configure every settings according to your preference. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.